Hi traders, welcome to Traders Wealth Group. This is Sharma here, and today I have shown you the Gamma Blast sheets. Now I want to show you very clearly how they work. These are the Gamma Blast sheets. So this is institutional level Nifty Gamma Blast, and this is institutional level Bank Nifty Gamma Blast, and this is the institutional level Sensex Gamma Blast. So today, as today is the monthly expiry, I have shown you how we can take track these and get the alerts. For example, today we have got the intraday gamma selection 24,000. Now it is showing, it is now 12:55. It is showing 24,000 PE. But in the morning itself, I got the indication and the alert that it is like this. So for example, in the morning I have shown you this one. Okay, this is for Bank Nifty. You can see 55,400. Let me show you 55,400. So this is Bank Nifty 55,400 put option, and the entry it has shown is automatically put entry is 182. You can see this is put entry 182. Okay, and 55,400. Okay, now what is the strike price? The strike price is 55,400, or you can see 55,000. Sorry, the strike price is 55,500. So let me show you that 55,500. This is the 55,500 strike price, and I have given you. I have shared the screenshot at 11:14. Okay, let me go and backtest for you, and here is the backtest. Okay, let us run it and see. I have given it. So let me first mark it like this. This is 11:15. I have given this. 11:15 is this a candle. This is the candle I have given, and our entry was 182. Okay, whatever the entry may be. Okay, let me show you the entry also. Well, entry is put option is 182. Okay, here if I enter this 182, or you can add some buffer to this 185. Let us make 185 or 190. Okay, and or else you can also take this is sorry, this is 55,600. Let us take 50,500 P. This is 55,500 P, and the entry was exactly 182. So you can add some buffer to this 185. So this is the 185. You can see. Let me first show you 182 how it works. Okay, the alert time was shared at 9:15. This is the 9:15, but 9:15 at 9:15 the price was 219. At 9:15 the price was 219, but it has shown us to buy at 182. 182 exactly from one it went up and came down to 182. From 182 it has given you the this. Okay, let us check this once. This is the candle alert candle. Okay, let me start here. Okay, let me select this candle and start this. This is the back test. You can see how well it went up and touched our price 182, and it has gone up to, see, let us wait, what is the high? Let us see, to 376, 368, 388, and the high was 445. Okay, 445. That means 182 to 445 in one lot. It went so good. Okay, this is the exact entry. It went up. So this is called gamma blast, and we get so beautiful, and it is not ended here. So market is still there. So once market takes a new turn, bullish turn or bearish turn, then it will give you new levels in this. This is called our new institutional level gamma blast system for Nifty, Bank Nifty. I'll show you all three. This is Nifty, and this is for Bank Nifty, and this is for Sensex. And let us go and check the Bank Nifty ones. Bank Nifty also, this is Bank Nifty. And Nifty, we have given the call. Let me show you the Nifty call also, Nifty sheet also. This is for Nifty. It was 24,100 put option. Let's go and check 24,100 put option. This is 24,100 put option. And you can see the entries are given over here automatically. So P entry was 66. I'm just marking it 66. Okay. because as it is expiry day, there will be a lot of volatility. So we have marked this at 11 o'clock. So this is our 11 o'clock candle. Sorry, 11 o'clock candle. Yeah, this is the 11 o'clock candle. From there, let us see our entries here. Okay, we have got the entries over here. From here itself, we got the entry. So let us start, go back and back test it. Okay, from here 11:05. Okay, start. You can see this, how well it went up. Again, he has given us, okay, low was not broken from 65 to 94. Oh, wow. So 139. The high was 139 and still going up. So it is almost how many points we got? We got almost here from here to here. We got 75 points in this. This is called Gamma Blast, and we have enough time again till 3:30. Okay. Thank you. We'll meet again, and I'll give you many other examples of this sheet. Thank you. Thanks for again once again.